Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. Whew, oh my gosh, I don't know why I'm out of breath after saying all that, but it is a lot to say. All right, so you guys, as you can see, I have my hair up in a bun. I have my hoops in. I just want to get semi put together, even though I'm not really doing much today. Tom actually went to BJ's and stood online for about an hour. He is already out. He was there since 8. It's what, 10 a.m. right now, and it is crazy out there, you guys, but we got toilet paper. Yay. And Pellegrino. I have been obsessed with Pellegrino and with some lemon. Oh my God, it is my go-to. It is so good, but so expensive, you guys. But anyways, so far all I have is some of my Laneige. I think that's how you pronounce it. And I'm pretty much like out. I have to get another one, but this is so good, you guys. And I heard that there's another one that's really good for your lips, and I want to try it, but I've been just trying to use this up. It's so good, you guys. I've used it on my kids, I've used it on my man, and it's really good. So right now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this. This is the Murad Essential C Day Moisturizer, and it has SPF, even though I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna add a little bit, and honestly, a little bit goes a long way, and that is actually pretty expensive, you guys. I was able to get that on sale. I believe it's like $60, and I got it for like probably half off, and it's so good though. But I don't know, I do like it. I do smell the SPF, but I also smell the orange, but it smells so good. I like it at the same time. It's so weird. So yeah, we're gonna do just a quick easy get ready. I'm gonna go in already with my, actually no, not foundation, I'm gonna go in with my face primer. So starting off with this is the CoverGirl True Blend Pore Minimizer. I'm just going to add a little bit of that right here in the pores area, on the chin and the forehead. So this is definitely not in the order I usually do, but it is what it is. As long as the makeup is getting on my face, that is all that matters. So today I'm going to be going in with this foundation. I love this. I started using this again. I used it actually maybe like 2 videos ago, and I love the way it looks, love the way it feels, and yeah. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. I am in the shade 205 at the moment. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of this on my face, just like that. Okay. And I'm going to be going in with my favorite brush. This is the It Brushes for Ulta, and this is the Airbrush Flawless Complexion brush. I just realized this says the all over side, and this is the precision side. So, I mean, obviously it makes sense, but that's exactly how I use it, to get in those little areas. But yeah, this is what I've been using, well, when I want to wear makeup. And it's so good. It just gives your skin like a nice little dewy glow. It just feels really good on the skin too. What is this? Oh, that's for my mask. I've been masking, you guys. I love masks. I've been masking more than usual. So yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit more right here on my forehead. Love this foundation, you guys. It's just super lightweight and just gives you good coverage. I'm gonna apply a little bit on my lids just to get it on there. Oh, and also, by the way, that moisturizer does not irritate the eyes. I don't put it so close to the eyes, but so far, like, you know, even if it's a little close to the eyes, you'll feel like a little burn. You don't feel anything at all, so it's really nice. I feel like it would be good for sensitive skin and, you know, sensitive eyes and all that stuff. But yeah, this is what the face is looking like. All right. Looks good. Now we're gonna go in with some concealer. I'm just gonna add a little bit. So I'm just gonna go in with this ColourPop No Filter concealer. I just picked that randomly out of my drawer. I'm just adding a little bit here, a little bit here, a little here, and that is it. Gonna go back in with the same brush. I want to hurry up because I want to be able to help Tom when he comes with a lot of stuff to unload, you know, and help him unload the car. So I'm just trying to be like, hey, I'm put together, I'm here, I'm up, I'm awake, and I'm here to help. Where do you need me? Obviously, unload. But yeah, so this is what we have. I am going to be making burgers today. I've been craving a burger, and I really want the Chick-fil-A sauce. I'm just really lazy to go out and get it, so I'm gonna have to do without it. I had a couple of like the little packets, and I was using that the last like maybe 2 times or maybe last time. It's so freaking good. I miss Chick-fil-A, you guys. I haven't had any outside food in like since this whole situation, well, this shit-situation as I call it, because it really is a shitty situation. So yeah, now I'm just gonna go in with my brows. I'm gonna be going in with the Vanity Australia cushion, brow cushion, and this is in the shade Brunettes. I love using this because it's super fast and easy. So I love the brush that it comes with. I just brush my brows. And hold on, I feel like there's a lot of foundation that needs to be blended here. There you go. So I like to go in with the brush that comes with the kit. Tom's home. I hear his car. His car is so loud, you guys. So I know when he's like down the block. I'm about to get a call. Watch. Help me. So I'm probably gonna have to come back and finish my makeup, of course. But that's okay. All right, so that is the brows. There you go. We got brows on. I just want to set my face real quick before he even calls me. See, there he goes. That's the bell. All right, so I'm just going to add a little bit of RCMA powder underneath just to set it, so when I come back, I can just finish everything else. All right, so I will be right back. All right, guys, so I'm back, and now I have a shake. I just made myself one real quick because Tom delivered some yummy fruit, and I was like, you know what, let me just make it now before I go back and film. So, all right, we left off on the RCMA powder. I finished setting my under eye and my eyes. So now I'm gonna go in with this right here. I bought this a while ago. This is the Rimmel London, what is it, Kate Highlight Contour and Blush little mini palette. So I'm just gonna use this today. I'm just gonna grab a little brush, not a little brush, but I'm gonna grab my Japanesque brush, and I'm going to grab a little bit of the bronzer. Ooh, let me adjust my mirror here. I'm just gonna go in with some bronzer and apply that today. So when I made my smoothie, I made it with spinach. I added a banana, a little bit of strawberries, a little bit of blueberry, and a couple chunks of mango, and I love it. And it's still like a little frozen consistency, so it's so freaking good. So delicious. I also added some chia seeds, so I love that. And it's just such a good, you know, way to start the morning, in my opinion. Like, it's healthy, it's delicious, it's refreshing, and it's just so yummy. So yeah, we literally just finished unloading everything and just putting everything where it should belong. I don't know if I told you guys, but I ordered a pantry and it came on Friday. We put that together. And honestly, we're gonna need another one just to balance it off, and just because we have so much crap. You know, like not just crap, but we have like food and, you know, things that we may want to just like store it in a you know, so people don't see it or whatever. Not that we have many people coming to our house, but it's just so at least it looks presentable. And I just hate clutter, so I rather have it in like a closet. But it looks so nice, you guys. It was definitely something different at first, but it looks really good now. So I'm really happy about that. So now that I'm done with the bronzer, we're gonna move on to blush real quick. I'm just gonna grab my Real Techniques brush. I'm gonna go in with the soft pink blush here. Put my brush in there and apply that on the cheeks. And that is my son's phone. I'm keeping the phone away from my son. I told him he's not allowed to use, you know, my younger one, he's not allowed to use the phone until at least 12 o'clock. So do some other stuff during the morning, and then once 12 o'clock hits, the phone is all yours. I'll be fine with that. But this blush is really pretty. I like it. Very pretty. I'm also gonna go in with the highlighter from in here. I don't know why I closed that up. All right, let me shut that phone off. All right, so I was going in with the highlighter from this palette, and there it goes. Oh, it's pretty. It's nice and subtle. Not too much, just enough. There you go. Looks pretty. I like it. I'm gonna add a little bit more bronzer. I feel like I wanna see it a little more, you know? I think we're good now. There we go. Good to go. I'm just gonna maybe add, I'll go in with the bronzer from here, I guess. That's what I'll do today. So grabbing a Wet n Wild brush and the bronzer from the palette, I'm just gonna add that in here. So Tom said that it's a really nice out. I mean, not really, really nice, but nice enough to go for a bike ride. So that's what we're gonna do today. So at least I'll look presentable. Not that I'm trying to impress anybody, but for myself, because I've been feeling like shit. Yeah, so I'm happy. I'm gonna be going in with the highlighter from the palette as well, and applying that right here on the inner corners, right there, just to bring some light. Okay. All right, so now that we have that going on, I am going to go in with some lashes. I'm gonna go in, let's see what I have. All right, so for lashes, I'm gonna be going in with the Kiss number 11s, and I'm just going to apply these real quick, and we can continue on and finish off the look. All right guys, so now that I'm done applying my lashes, I was having a little difficulty today. I don't know why, but I finally got them on. Now I'm just gonna go in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and I'm just going to apply some on the lower lashes. And lastly, for lips, I'm gonna go in with the lip liner from NYX. This is in the shade Ever. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of the Fenty gloss. This is the original one. And now I'm just going to set my face, and that's going to complete today's look. All right guys, so this is the final look right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. This is not too little, not too much, just enough. And especially for the nothing that I'm going to be doing today. Hopefully we go ride bikes. And yeah, so basically I'm just gonna be chilling. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my shake. And yeah, so give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.